cold. It's really cold. My friend, welcome to Life Goes On. I'm going to downtown today and it's really cold, minus 40 with the wind chill. And hopefully I can make a video about this extreme cold, how is downtown. And situation like this is really hard to make a video. Why? Because I can't hold the camera with the gloves. So when I hold the camera take make video, I have to remove the gloves. And without the gloves, this kind of weather, I can hold the camera not more than 1 minute or minute and a half max. So let's see how it goes. This is a beautiful church right at the corner of 7th Avenue and 1st Street Southwest. It's beautiful, very old and well maintained. I love this one. Other side of this church, Hudson and Bay. See the building? It's another beautiful architecture of Calgary downtown. Today, my plan is walking eastbound on 17th Avenue Southwest from 7th Street towards McLeod Trail towards Victoria Park. Let's see how many blocks I can do. I'm gonna show you the best coffee shop of Calgary downtown right now. On my left hand side, Analog Cafe. Okay, this is the best coffee shop in downtown. Very authentic, very popular. If you come to Calgary, please try it. The best coffee. You are not gonna regret. It's beautiful sunny day right now, but temperature is minus 40, like deep freezing cold. Another beautiful church, very old and very beautiful architecture. I'm gonna show you guys a unique decoration made by a restaurant. They made a metal door, very traditional design in front of their restaurant. It's like a totally made by cast iron, and it's beautiful, and I love it. Everybody like it. Look at this. It's so unique. Wow. I never seen like this before anywhere else. Today, I would like to take the chance to thanks to all my friends who already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Your support is like big help to me, and those friends who are very new to my channel today, right now, right here, they are watching. Please, if you like my channel, if you like the content, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and touch the bell to get notification. Thank you so much.